Every year, thousands of people are blindsided by something they thought would never happen to them: a stroke. Imagine waking up one morning, unable to speak, move, or even recognize the person sitting next to you. Stroke is not only life-threatening but life-changing, often striking when people least expect it. What's even more shocking? A recent revelation from neurologists shows that certain lifestyle factors double your stroke risk, factors that most people don't even realize. But here's the good news: a solution exists. Stay with us, because this might be the most important thing you hear today. Understanding stroke, the silent killer. Strokes don't come with warning signs like other health conditions. They can strike anyone, anywhere, at any time, making it one of the most unpredictable medical emergencies. According to the American Stroke Association, 1 in 4 people will have a stroke in their lifetime, and many don't fully recover. Dr. David Perlmutter, author of Grain Brain, emphasizes, our diet and lifestyle choices significantly impact our brain health, potentially reducing or increasing stroke risk. Most people don't think about stroke prevention until it's too late, but knowledge is power, and understanding what increases your risk is the first step to a healthier future. What doubles your stroke risk? While some factors like age and genetics are beyond our control, research has uncovered specific lifestyle habits that can skyrocket your stroke risk. A study from the American Heart Association reveals that people who smoke, neglect physical activity, or follow an unhealthy diet have double the risk of a stroke. The shock doesn't stop there. Stress, poor sleep, and even certain medications play a significant role. Dr. Mark Hyman, in his book The Ultramind Solution, explains, the choices we make each day, what we eat, how we move, and how we handle stress, impact not only our mental health but also our risk of stroke. It's clear, lifestyle choices aren't just preferences, they're potential triggers. The link between diet and stroke. Risk. Our diets have a direct impact on our brain's health. Refined sugars, trans fats, and processed foods trigger inflammation, clogging arteries, and increasing the chance of a blood clot, which can lead to a stroke. Dr. Joel Fuhrman, in his book Eat to Live, emphasizes, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods can reverse heart disease, reduce inflammation, and lower stroke risk. This isn't just about reducing calories or losing weight. It's about fueling your body and brain with nutrients that protect you from chronic diseases, including stroke. The foods you eat today directly impact your risk tomorrow. Exercise. The simple solution for stroke prevention. Exercise is often considered the best medicine. Regular physical activity improves circulation, reduces blood pressure, and keeps blood vessels clear, significantly lowering the risk of stroke. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking each day can make a difference. Dr. Dean Ornish, author of The Spectrum, points out, exercise doesn't just prevent physical disease, it reduces stress, improves mental health, and strengthens the brain. Incorporating even small amounts of movement into your daily routine can lower your stroke risk by up to 30%. The science is simple and the solution is accessible. Start with what you can and build up over time. Why stress is a stroke. Risk multiplier. Stress isn't just a mental challenge. It takes a toll on physical health as well. Chronic stress elevates blood pressure, disrupts sleep, and leads to unhealthy coping mechanisms like smoking or poor eating habits, all of which are linked to stroke. Dr. Herbert Benson, in The Relaxation Response, states, learning to manage stress effectively can be as powerful as medication in reducing stroke risk. Practices like meditation, breathing exercises, and mindful movement can lower stress and, by extension, lower your risk. Taking time to care for your mental health isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for stroke prevention. Sleep, the overlooked factor in stroke prevention. Getting enough quality sleep is one of the most overlooked aspects of brain health. Studies show that people who get less than 6 hours of sleep each night have a significantly higher risk of stroke. Dr. Matthew Walker, in his book Why We Sleep, notes, sleep is the foundation of our physical and mental health, affecting everything from our immune function to our risk of chronic diseases. Poor sleep raises blood pressure, affects blood sugar levels, and increases stress, all of which are stroke risk factors. By prioritizing sleep, you're not just resting, you're actively reducing your stroke risk. High blood pressure, the primary stroke. Risk factor. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is one of the leading risk factors for stroke. It weakens blood vessels and makes them more likely to burst or clog, leading to a stroke. Lowering blood pressure can be life-saving. Dr. John Ratey, author of Spark, The Revolutionary New Science of Exercise and the Brain, explains, exercise and a healthy diet are the best natural ways to control blood pressure. Medications can help, but lifestyle changes are equally effective. Regular monitoring and mindful management of blood pressure can drastically reduce stroke risk. The role of smoking in stroke risk. Smoking doubles the risk of stroke by damaging blood vessels, increasing blood pressure, and making blood more likely to clot. It's a deadly habit that affects every system in the body. Dr. Michael Greger, in his book How Not to Die, shares, quitting smoking can save your life, preventing heart disease, cancer, and stroke. If you're a smoker, quitting should be a top priority in reducing your risk. While it's not easy, the health benefits are immediate and life-changing. Support is available, and with each day smoke-free, you're protecting your brain and body. The impact of alcohol on stroke risk. While moderate drinking may have some health benefits, excessive alcohol consumption is dangerous for stroke risk. It raises blood pressure, increases body weight, and can lead to atrial fibrillation, a type of irregular heartbeat associated with stroke. Dr. Sarah Gottfried, in her book The Hormone Cure, warns, alcohol affects not just the liver but the entire body, especially the brain. Cutting back or eliminating alcohol can reduce the chance of stroke significantly. If you enjoy a drink, try to limit it to special occasions and stay within recommended limits. The power of mindfulness for stroke. Prevention. Mindfulness and meditation reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve mental clarity, all of which help in stroke prevention. Mindfulness doesn't require a lot of time or money, just a commitment to practice. Dr. Kabat-Zinn, in his book Wherever You Go, There You Are, says, mindfulness gives us the tools to live a healthier, more present life. By setting aside just 10 minutes a day to focus on your breath, you're actively reducing stroke risk and cultivating a healthier mind and body. Small practices lead to big changes over time. The role of hydration in stroke prevention. Hydration is often overlooked but is vital for brain health. Dehydration thickens the blood, making it more likely to clot. Dr. Stephen Masley, in The Better Brain Solution, emphasizes, water is essential for mental and physical health, supporting everything from circulation to cognitive function. Keeping a water bottle nearby and sipping throughout the day can help. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Good hydration not only improves alertness but also reduces the risk of blood clots and, ultimately, strokes. How obesity contributes to stroke risk. Carrying excess weight strains the heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke. Dr. Jason Fung, in the Obesity Code, explains, obesity isn't just a lifestyle issue, it's a complex medical condition that affects the entire body. Losing even a small percentage of body weight can significantly reduce stroke risk. By following a balanced diet and staying active, it's possible to manage weight and reduce the likelihood of a stroke. It's not about perfection but progress in the right direction. Diabetes and stroke, the dangerous connection. People with diabetes have an increased risk of stroke due to high blood sugar levels, which damage blood vessels over time. Dr. Michael Mosley, in the 8-Week Blood Sugar Diet, explains, keeping blood sugar levels under control is crucial for long-term health, including stroke prevention. Managing diabetes through diet, exercise, and possibly medication is key. Regular monitoring and lifestyle adjustments can keep blood sugar in check and reduce stroke risk. Diabetes is manageable, and so is the stroke risk that accompanies it. How regular checkups save lives. Preventive care plays a huge role in stroke prevention. Regular checkups allow early detection of high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other risk factors. Dr. Eric Topol in The Patient Will See You Now highlights: prevention and early detection are the best ways to reduce the risk of serious conditions like stroke. Even if you feel fine, annual screenings can reveal hidden issues. By catching them early, you can make necessary lifestyle changes to prevent stroke. Health is not just about treatment but about proactive care. The roadmap to stroke. Prevention strokes are serious, but they're not inevitable. Your risk doubles with certain lifestyle habits, yet you have the power to lower that risk through conscious changes. Eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, sleeping well, and monitoring health markers like blood pressure and blood sugar are all crucial steps. Remember Dr. Perlmutter's words from Grain Brain: brain health is within our control. The choices you make today affect your future, and with each positive step, you're lowering your risk of stroke. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.